welcome to the channel name Freestyler. Today I will tell you how to make a game Block Stacker Part 3. Hope you enjoy the video.
Hello guys, in today's video we will add game over screen and game on screen to our game. So let's start. We will first add a layout named game on screen. So go to layouts, right click on it, select add layout, select add event sheet, zoom out, then go to layout 2 and right click on it and select rename it to game on screen. Now we will add a background to our game on screen. Drag the game on screen background to the construct 3. Right click on it, select align, select cover viewport. So we have finished designing the background of game on screen. Now we will also add a restart button. Double click anywhere and select, and from the form controls section select OK button. Name it as restart button. Then click on insert. A plus sign will appear. Then if you left click, then this will appear. Then change the text to restart. Change its size. Change its size as your convenience. Now we will go to the event sheet 2. So whenever we click restart button, we will be redirected to the layout 1, means the main game screen. Select add event, select restart button and click on next. Select on clicked, then click next, means whenever the restart button is clicked, select add action, select system, click next, and then select wait, means whenever we will click the restart button, it will wait 0.5 seconds, and then it will go to the layout 1. Let's test. Whenever we click on restart, oh, I forgot here, change it to layout 1. Then click on done. Let's now test. Whenever we click on restart, we are redirected to the main screen. So we have finished designing the game on screen. Now we will add another layout called game over screen. Select layouts, right click on it and select add layout, select add event sheet and go to layout 2 and select rename it to game over screen. You can also rename the layout 1. as main screen. Now go to game over screen, zoom out, and we will add background to our game over screen. Drag the game over screen photo to the construct 3. Right click on it, select align and select cover viewport. So we have finished making the game over screen background. Now we will add a restart button here too. So double click anywhere. Under the form control section, select OK button. A plus sign will appear. Left click anywhere. Set the text as restart and change its size as your convenient. I am changing its size as my convenient. Now we will go to the event sheet 3. So we want in this layout also that whenever we click the restart button, we are redirected to the main screen. So go to OK button, select OK button, then select on clicked, select add action, go to system, select wait, then type 0.5, then click on done, then add another action, select system, select go to layout, select main screen, we have to add another action so that whenever we restart the score gets reset. So we will add reset global variables. We will add this in event sheet 2 too. Reset global variables. Now we will go to event sheet 1. We will make a system according to which if score is equal to 150, if score is equal to 150 or greater than 150, then it will wait 0.5 seconds and we will redirect it to the game won screen. Go to layout, select game won screen. Now we will add this for the game over screen too, so that whenever select compare variable, whenever score is less than or equal to 0, then add a wait block, means we will wait 0.5 seconds and we will be redirected to the game over screen. So now let's test our game. The game over restart button is functional. See, whenever the score is less than or equal to 0, we are redirected to the game over screen. So we have finished making our first game, ball stacker. Bye bye for now.